best robot vacuum cleaner for smart, hands-free cleaning. The demand for robot vacuum cleaners has exploded recently. They're no longer niche luxury gadgets, but everyday helpers in homes big and small. For busy families, pet owners, and people who just hate sweeping, these machines offer real convenience. In this guide, I evaluate each model on its navigation system, cleaning power, maintenance needs, and value to help you decide which one is right for you. Product number 1. Shark AV2501S AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. The Shark AV2501S AI Ultra stands out with its Matrix Clean navigation, which methodically grids your home and makes multiple passes to ensure no dust or debris is left behind. It comes with a self-emptying base that can hold up to 30 days of dirt, helping minimize maintenance. The true HEPA filtration captures up to 99.97% of fine particles, making it a strong choice for allergy sufferers. Thanks to 360-degree LiDAR vision, it builds accurate maps, adapts to home changes, and even avoids objects. With up to 120 minutes runtime, it's capable of doing a full home clean in one go. And thanks to its recharge and resume feature, it can return to its base, recharge, and pick up where it left off. It also supports voice control, so you can ask Alexa or Google Assistant to start or stop cleaning. A powerful, low-maintenance robot that's especially good for homes with pets and allergens.
Product number 2. Eufy Robot Vacuum Omni C20. Eufy Omni C20 is a highly automated robot designed to both vacuum and mop, and its accompanying all-in-one station makes that process nearly hands-free. The station auto-empties, washes, dries the mop, and even refills water. It delivers 7,000 Pascal suction, which is very strong, especially for a combo robot. For mopping, its Mop Master technology uses 180 rotations per minute and 6 N of downward pressure to tackle tough stains. The robot is just 3.35 inches tall, making it impressively slim and able to reach under low furniture like beds and desks. It also features a Pro Detangle comb on its roller brush, which helps reduce hair tangles, a smart feature for pet hair. Laser navigation supports multi-room mapping, and the app lets you set zones, no-go areas, and cleaning schedules. Excellent for someone who wants a nearly fully automated vacuum plus mop solution with minimal manual upkeep.
Product number 3. Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum. This Shark model adds voice control to the strengths of the AV2501S, making it even more user-friendly. You can command it with Alexa or Google Assistant for tasks like start cleaning or do a matrix clean. It still uses the same matrix clean navigation for thorough grid pattern cleaning, so you get consistent coverage. Like the AV2501S, it features a self-empty base, though some listings mention up to 60-day capacity for this voice control version, depending on exact model, which reduces how often you touch the dust. Its LiDAR mapping lets it adapt to your home layout and avoid obstacles. The voice features make it ideal for people who want super hands-free interaction, especially helpful if you don't always want to use your phone or app. A great pick if you love Shark's powerful, methodical cleaning but want the convenience of voice control.
Product number 4. Eufy Robot Vacuum 11S Max. The Eufy 11S Max is a budget-friendly favorite known for its ultra-slim design, just 2.85 inches high, so it slips into tight spaces under sofas and beds. It delivers up to 2,000 pascals of suction power thanks to its Boost IQ technology that ramps up power automatically on carpets. It runs for up to 100 minutes on a full charge before returning to its dock. It doesn't have advanced mapping. Instead, it uses a simpler bounce navigation, meaning it moves until it hits something and then changes direction. There's no smartphone app or Wi-Fi. Control is via a physical remote. It's also very quiet, around 55 decibels, making it unobtrusive during operation. Ideal for small to medium homes, tight spaces, and users who prefer simplicity and reliability over high-tech features. Product number 5. Roborock Q7L5 Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. The Roborock Q7L5 is a powerful hybrid that vacuums and mops at the same time. It boasts an impressive 8,000 PA Hyperforce suction, which is among the strongest in this roundup. Its dual anti-tangle brushes help prevent long hair or pet fur from wrapping up, reducing maintenance. Navigation is handled via PressaSense LiDAR, which maps your home accurately and plans efficient cleaning routes. It also supports quick mapping, letting it learn your floor plan faster and can charge during off-peak electricity hours. Perfect for users who want both deep suction and mopping capabilities, especially for homes with pets or messy areas.